Hello class. So we were discussing decision support system and we have already discussed DSS concept and philosophy and all these topics except transaction processing system, functions of TPS, followed by EMS types and functions, also ERP benefits and the relationship between EMS and ERP, which we are going to study today. So our first topic is transaction processing system, which is also known as TPS. So a TPS is like a careful checker for your business. When your business does something like receiving goods from a supplier, that's called a transaction. The TPS checks each transaction to make sure it follows all the rules of your business. For example, let's say your business receives a shipment of goods. So the TPC will check that there is a purchase order for the goods and it's still open. The supplier has sent all the necessary documents like a sales tax form or a certification, any other condition that your business has are met. If the TPS finds that any of these rules are not met, it will stop the transaction and let you know so you can fix the problem. If everything is okay, the transaction will go through. So in a nutshell, a TPS act like a vigilant guard for your business. It ensures all your business activities comply with this set of rules if anything is out of place. It raises a flag so you can address the issue. This helps keep your business on track and prevents potential mishaps. So how it works? Think of a TPS as a cashier at a supermarket. It's the system that handles all the business transaction like a cashier handle all the purchase at a store. Now we will understand how it works or what are the functions of a TPS. So first we have processing transaction. When a transaction happens like buying an item at a store or online, the TPS is the system that makes sure the transaction is completed successfully. It's like a cashier scanning your items, taking your payment, and giving you a receipt. Second, we have recording transactions. So the TPS also records every transaction and its effects in a database. Just like a cashier's registers keep track of every sale. This information is crucial for the business to operate and make decisions. Third function is real-time and batch processing. TPS can process transactions in real time or in batches. Real time processing means the transaction is processed immediately, like a cashier is scanning your goods or items one by one. Batch processing means transactions are collected over a period and processed all at once, like a cashier is scanning a bunch of items together. Next function is reliability and efficiency. TPS is designed to be reliable and efficient. It's like a cashier who works quickly and accurately, ensuring that customers don't have to wait long for their transactions to be processed. Last function is supporting business operations. So TPS supports various business operations like order processing, reservations, accounts payable and receivable, payroll and more. It's like a cashier who can handle different type of transactions from selling items to processing returns. So there is a case study on TPS. In this case study, outsourced to India, which is O2I, was tasked by a logistic company to handle their transaction processing activities. O2I set up a robust infrastructure equipped with advanced technology, dedicated workspace, and backup systems to ensure uninterrupted services round the clock. Initially, error rated were high, Exceeding double digits, O2I swiftly implemented process refinements, quality controls, and automation, reducing error rates to below 10% within 3 months. Currently, error rate stand at 3% or less. So O2I introduced a fully automated system to track bill of lading, that is BOL, requirements precisely. This enhancements facilitated timely processing of all BOLs, resulting in improved turnaround times. Overall, O2I implementation of advanced technology, rigorous quality control measures, and process automation significantly enhanced efficiency and accuracy in transaction processing for the logistic company. Now let's move on the questions related to the case study. So we have 5 questions here. You can take a screenshot of the case study and these questions and find out the answers on your own. Although I will explain each of the answer of questions one by one. Let's start with the first question. What are the key differentiators in delivering time-bound and accurate transaction processing service in the logistic case study? So, in the logistic case study, there are several key differentiators that contribute to delivering time-bound and accurate transaction processing services. These differentiators are crucial in ensuring that transactions are processed efficiently, accurately, and within the specified time frame. Let's explore them in detail. So, first point is comprehensive infrastructure. One key differentiator is the implementation of a comprehensive infrastructure built on cutting edge technology. This infrastructure includes hardware, software, and network systems that enable smooth and efficient transaction processing. By leveraging advanced technology, the logistic company can handle a large volume of transaction while maintaining high performance and reliability. Next point we can consider is dedicated workspace. Another important factor is the provision of dedicated workspace for transaction processing. These workspaces are specifically designed and equipped to facilitate the efficient processing of transactions. They provide a conducive environment for the data processors to focus on their tasks without distractions, ensuring accuracy and timeliness. To ensure uninterrupted transaction processing, the logistic company has implemented backup systems. These systems serve as a fail-safe mechanism in case of any technical issues or system failures. By having backup system in place, the company minimizes the risk of downtime and can continue processing transactions seamlessly, thereby meeting the time-bound requirements. O2I, the service provider, implements process refinements to optimize transaction processing. This involves analyzing the existing processes, identifying bottlenecks or areas for improvement, and implementing changes to streamline the workflow. By continuously refining their processes, O2I can enhance efficiency and accuracy, ultimately leading to time-bound transaction processing. O2I incorporates robust quality control checks throughout the transaction processing cycle. These checks ensures that each transaction is accurately processed and meets the required standards. Quality control measures may include data validation, error detection, and verification against predefined criteria. By implementing rigorous quality control checks, O2I can minimize errors and discrepancies, contributing to accurate and reliable transaction processing. Another point we can take system automation. Automation plays a significant role in delivering time bound and accurate transaction processing services. O2I leverages automation technologies to streamline and expedite the processing of transactions. By automating repetitive tasks, data entry, and validation processes, they can significantly reduce processing time and enhance accuracy. Automation also reduces the dependency on manual intervention, minimizing the chances of human errors. Next point is trained team of data processors. O2I employs a trained and skilled team of data processors who specialize in transaction processing. These professionals have expertise in handling various types of transactions, understanding the specific requirements, and effectively processing them within the give time frames. The expertise of the team ensures that transactions are processed accurately and efficiently. A specific differentiator mentioned in the case study is the implementation of a fully automated system to track specific bill of lading requirements. The system ensures that all BOLs are processed on time, minimizing delays and improving turnaround time. The automation of BOL processing simplifies the workflow and eliminates manual errors, contributing to time bound transaction processing. By combining these key differentiators, the logistic company can deliver time bound and accurate transaction processing service. The comprehensive infrastructure, dedicated workspace, backup systems, process refinements, quality control checks, system automation, trained team, and specialized systems for specific requirements all work together to ensure efficient, accurate, and timely processing of transactions. So, the next question is, how did the outsourcing of transaction processing activities to O2I impact the error rates? The outsourcing of transaction processing activities to O2I had a significant impact on the error rates in the logistic case study. Prior to outsourcing, the error rates were in excess of double digits, indicating a high number of inaccuracies in the processed transactions. However, within 3 months of O2I taking over the transaction processing, the error rates were reduced to fewer than 10% of the total processed transactions. Currently, the error rates stand at 3% or less. Let's explore how the outsourcing process contributed to this substantial reduction in the error rates. First point we can take expertise and specialization. So O2I specializes in transaction processing services and has a trained team of data processors with expertise in handling a wide range of transactions. By outsourcing to O2I, the logistic company benefited from the specialized knowledge and experience of the O2I team. The expertise of the data processors allowed for accurate and efficient processing of transactions, resulting in a significant reduction in errors. O2I implemented process refinements to optimize the transaction processing workflow. This involved analyzing the existing processes, identifying pain points, and implementing changes to streamline the overall process. By eliminating bottlenecks, redundant steps, and inefficient practices, O2I improved the accuracy of the transaction processing system. The refined processes minimized the chances of errors occurring during data entry, validation, and verification. If we talk about quality control measures, so O2I incorporated robust quality control measures throughout the transaction processing cycle. These measures ensured that each transaction was thoroughly checked for accuracy, completeness, and adherence to predefined criteria. Quality control measures may include data validation, cross-checking against reference databases, and error detection mechanisms. By implementing stringent quality control checks, O2I significantly reduced the occurrence of errors in the processed transactions. O2I leveraged automation and advanced technology to enhance the accuracy of transaction processing. Automation eliminated manual errors and reduced the dependency on manual data entry and processing. By automating repetitive tasks, data validation, and verification processes, O2I minimized the chances of human error that often occur due to fatigue or oversight. The use of technology streamlined the entire process, resulting in improved accuracy and reduced errors. O2I implemented a system of continuous monitoring and feedback to track, rectify errors. They closely monitored the error rates, identified recurring issues, and provided feedback to the data processors. This feedback loop allowed for continuous improvement and corrective actions to be taken. By addressing the root causes of errors and providing feedback to the team, O2I ensured that errors were minimized and prevented from recurring. By combining these factors, the outsourcing of transaction processing activities to O2I led to a significant reduction in error rates in the logistic case study. The expertise and specialization of the O2I team, process refinements, stringent quality control measures, automation, and continuous monitoring all contributed to improving the accuracy and reliability of the transaction processing system. The logistic company benefited from the reduced error rates, which in turn enhanced the overall efficiency and effectiveness of their operations. We have the third question is, what benefits did the logistic company achieve by outsourcing its transaction processing activities to O2I? So the logistic company achieved several benefits by outsourcing its transaction processing activities to O2I. Let's explore these benefits in details. First benefit is cost savings. Outsourcing transaction processing activities to O2I resulted in cost savings for the logistic company. By partnering with O2I, the company minimized the need to invest in additional infrastructure, software, and resources to handle transaction processing in house. O2I's expertise and dedicated team allowed for efficient and accurate processing of transactions at a lower cost compared to maintaining an in house team. The cost saving enabled the logistic company to allocate resources to other critical areas of their businesses. Next benefit is improved accuracy. O2I's specialized team and stringent quality control measures significantly improved the accuracy of transaction processing. By leveraging their expertise and implementing robust quality check, O2I reduced the occurrence of errors in the processed transactions. The logistic company benefited from increased accuracy, which minimized the risk of financial discrepancies, incorrect data entry, and other errors that could impact their operations and customer satisfaction. Next benefit is enhanced efficiency. Outsourcing transaction processing to O2I improved the overall efficiency of the logistic company's operations. O2I implemented process refinements and automation to streamline the transaction processing workflow by eliminating bottlenecks, redundant steps, and manual errors. O2I enhanced the speed and efficiency of processing transactions. The logistic company experienced faster turnaround times, enabling them to meet customer demands and deadlines more effectively. Next benefit, access to specialized expertise. O2I specializes in transaction processing services and has a trained team of data processors with expertise in handling various types of transactions. By outsourcing to O2I, the logistic company gained access to this specialized expertise. The O2I team's knowledge and experience allowed for accurate and efficient processing of transactions, ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations. The logistic company benefited from the specialized skill of the O2I team without having to invest in extensive training or hiring additional staff. Next benefit is scalability and flexibility. So O2I provided the logistic company with scalability and flexibility in transaction processing. As the volume of transactions fluctuated, O2I could easily scale their resources up or down to meet the demand. This flexibility allowed the logistic company to adapt to the changing business needs without the constraints of maintaining an in-house team. O2I's ability to handle varying transaction volumes ensured that the logistic company could efficiently process transactions during peak periods without promising accuracy or timeliness. Next point is focus on core competencies. By outsourcing transaction processing activities to O2I, the logistic company could focus on its core competencies and strategic initiatives. Transaction processing is a crucial and critical but time consuming task that requires attention to detail. By entrusting this function to O2I, the logistic company could redirect their internal resources and efforts towards core business activities such as customer service, supply chain management, and business growth. This focus on core competencies allowed the logistic company to enhance their competitive advantage and drive overall business success. All in all, outsourcing transaction processing activities to O2I, providing the logistic company with cost savings, improved accuracy, enhanced efficiency. In summary, outsourcing transaction processing activities to O2I provided the logistic company with cost saving, improved accuracy, enhanced efficiency, access to specialized expertise, scalability, flexibility, and the ability to focus on core competencies. These benefits allowed the logistic company to optimize their operations, reduce cost, and deliver better services to their customers. Our fourth question is, what is the purpose of a transaction processing system? So the purpose of transaction processing system is to process and record transactions within an organization. A TPS is designed to ensure that efficient and accurate handling of various types of transactions such as sales, purchases, payments, and other business activities. It serves as a fundamental component of an organization's information system infrastructure. The primary objective of a TPS are as follows. First is data capture. A TPS captures and collects data related to various transactions occurring within an organization. This includes information such as transaction details, customer information, product details, quantities, prices, and any other relevant data associated with the transaction. Second, we have data validation. Once the data is captured, a TPS performs validation checks to ensure the accuracy and integrity of the data. It verifies that the data entered is valid, complete, and meets predefined criteria or business rules. This validation process helps to minimize errors and inconsistencies in the transaction data. Next objective is data processing. After validation, a TPS processes the transaction data according to predefined rules and procedures. It performs calculations, updates databases, generates reports, and carries out any necessary actions based on the nature of the transaction. The processing may involve updating inventory records, calculating financial totals, generating invoices, or updating customer accounts. Next objective is data storage. A TPS stores the processed transaction data in a secure and organized manner. It maintains databases or data repositories where the transaction data is stored for future references, reportings, and analysis. The storage of transaction data allows for historical tracking, auditing, and retrieval of information as needed. Next objective is data retrieval and reporting. A TPS enables the retrieval of transaction data for reporting and analysis purposes. It provides tools and mechanisms to generate reports, summaries, and analytics based on the stored transaction data. These reports can be used for decision making, performance evaluation, financial analysis, and other business purposes. Next objective we can take concurrency control. In situations where multiple users or systems access the TPC simultaneously, concurrency control mechanism ensure that transactions are processed in a controlled and consistent manner. This prevents conflicts, data corruption, or inconsistencies that may arise due to concurrent access of the system. Overall, the purpose of a transaction processing system is to facilitate the efficient, accurate, and timely processing of transaction within an organization. It ensures that transaction data is captured, validated, processed, stored, and made available for reporting and analysis. By automating and streamlining transactions processing, a TPS helps organizations improve operational efficiency, maintain data integrity, and support decision-making processes. Our last question is, what are the two types of TPS mentioned in the case study? So in this case study, two types of TPS are mentioned. The first is batch processing and the second is real-time processing. So first we will discuss batch processing. It is a type of transaction processing where transactions are accumulated over a period of time and processed as a batch. In this approach, transactions are collected, stored, and processed together at a later time. The batch processing system waits until a sufficient number of transactions have been collected before processing them as a group. This method is often used when there is a large volume of transactions that can be processed efficiently in batches. Batch processing is suitable for scenarios where real-time processing is not required and there is flexibility in the timing of transaction processing. Second processing is real-time. So real-time processing is also known as online transaction processing, is a type of transaction processing that occurs immediately as transactions are received. In this approach, transactions are processed and recorded in real time, providing instant updates to the system. Real-time processing is characterized by its ability to handle transactions as they occur, ensuring immediate response and up-to-date information. This type of processing is commonly used in scenarios where immediate processing and availability of transaction data are critical, such as online banking, e-commerce, and reservation systems. Both batch processing and real-time processing have their own advantages and use cases. Batch processing is efficient for handling large volumes of transactions as it allows for the consolidation and processing of transactions in batches, reducing processing overhead. On the other hand, real-time processing provides immediate updates and enables quick decision making based on up-to-date transactions data. In this study, the specific type of transaction processing system implemented is not explicitly mentioned. However, it can be inferred that the focus is on efficient and time-bound transaction processing, indicating the possibility of utilizing real-time processing or a combination of both batch and real-time processing approaches. Remember, the information provided is based on the search results available up to until the knowledge cutoff date and may not include the most recent developments. I hope all the answers were cleared. Let's move to the next topic. So our next topic is Enterprise Management System, which is also known as EMS. It is an application software package that helps organizations to manage various software tasks and achieve their software needs in real time. The software is customized based on an organization's need. If you operate a large business, investing in EMS can help you manage your business smoothly and achieve your goals. Imagine an EMS as the brain of a business. Just like the brain controls and coordinates all parts of the body, an EMS manages and integrates different parts of a business. Here is how: EMS streamlining and integrating. Like, it brings together all the different parts of a business like sales, finance, HR, etc., and helps them work together smoothly. It's like the brain ensuring all body parts work in sync. And EMS gives a business centralized control, meaning decision makers can manage everything from one place. It's like the brain controlling all body functions from one central location. With an EMS, businesses can see how all parts of their organization are doing. It's like the brain being able to monitor the health and status of every body part. And EMS can automate routine tasks, making processes more efficient. It's like the brain automating body functions like breathing or the heartbeat. So it can focus on more complex tasks. And EMS helps businesses use their resources like time, money, staff more effectively. It's like the brain ensuring the body uses its energy efficiently. By coordinating and controlling everything, an EMS makes a business run more efficiently. It's like the brain ensuring the body works effectively. Finally, an EMS helps businesses make better decisions. It's like the brain making decisions for the body based on the information it receives. Next, we have the types of EMS. The first type of EMS is CRM, which is also known as Customer Relationship Management. So, the CRM software helps businesses connect with their customers. It's like an assistant who introduces a customer to the brand, explaining what it offers and how it can meet the customer's need. The CRM software processes all kind of data about customers. It's like an assistant who remembers every customer's preferences, their past purchases, and even their shopping habits. It also gathers detailed information about the customers. It's like the assistant taking notes about each customer so they can provide personalized service next time the customer visit the store. The CRM software make all customer related processes run smoothly. It's like the assistant making sure everything in the store, from the displays to the checkout, work perfectly. It reduces the amount of time employees spend on various tasks. It's like the assistant doing some of the work so the employees can focus on other important tasks. Ultimately, the CRM software helps grow the business. It's like the assistant attracting more customers to the store and making sure they keep coming back. So, in simple terms, CRM software is like a super helpful assistant for a business. It connects brands with customers, processes customer data, streamlines processes, saves employee time, and helps grow the business. It's all about making sure customers have the best possible experience with the brand. Next type is Enterprise Resource Planning, which is also known as ERP. So the ERP system makes all business processes easier to manage. Just like a conductor coordinates all the musicians to play the right note at the right time. It helps smooth various operations like marketing projects, accounting, HR, finance, and procurement. It's like a conductor ensuring every section of the orchestra, from the strings to the percussion, plays their parts perfectly. The ERP system is made up of different modules. Like a conductor has different sections of the orchestra, each module handles a different part of the business, but they all work together. The modules in an ERP system share information effectively. Like a conductor communicates with all the musicians during a performance. This ensures that all parts of the business have the information they need to work harmoniously. So, in simple terms, an ERP system is like the conductor of a business's orchestra. It facilitates processes, smooths operations, connects different modules, and ensures that information is distributed effectively. This helps the business perform as well coordinated and harmonious whole. The next type of EMS is supply chain management, which is known as SCM. So the SCM system keeps track of all the data like how many products are being shipped and finances like how many everything cost. It's like the traffic control center monitoring how many cars are on the road and how much toll money is being collected. It also manages how products or services are delivered to customers. It's like the traffic control center making sure all cars reach their destinations safely and on time. From purchasing raw material, the start of the highway, to delivering the product, the end of the highway, the SCM system monitors the entire process. It's like the traffic control center watching the entire highway from the entrance to the exit. So, in simple terms, a SCM system is like a traffic control center for a business. It manages data and finances, controls the flow of product and services delivery, and monitors the entire process from start to finish. This helps ensure that everything in the business runs smoothly, just like a well managed highway. Here are some functions of EMS. An EMS is a comprehensive software solution designed to integrate and manage various aspects of an organization's operations. Here are the key functions of an EMS. The first function is HRM, which is known as Human Resource Management. EMS helps manage employee information, payroll, recruitment training, and performance evaluations. It's like having a digital HR department that keeps track of all employee related activities. Second function we have financial processing and budgeting. EMS handles financial transactions, budgeting, accounting, and financial reporting. It ensures that all financial data is accurate and accessible, helping businesses make informed financial decisions. Next function is CRM. As we already discussed, that EMS manages interactions with customers, tracks sales activities, and helps improve customer services. It connects brands with existing and potential customers, processes data, and gathers customers' detail to enhance customer relationships. Next function is sales and marketing. EMS supports sales and marketing efforts by tracking sales activities, managing marketing campaigns, and analyzing market trends. It helps businesses reach their target audience more effectively. Next function is SCM. So, EMS oversees the entire supply chain process from purchasing raw materials to delivering finished products to customers. It ensures smooth and efficient product flow and reducing delays and optimizing inventory management. Procurement is the next function. So EMS manages and procurement process including supplier management, purchase orders and inventory control. It helps businesses acquire the necessary materials and services at the best possible prices. Next function is data management and reporting. So EMS provides real-time data and generates reports that help managers make informed decisions. It ensures that all departments have access to accurate and up-to-date information. Next function is operational control. EMS enhances operational control by automating routine tasks and streamlining processes. This reduces the time employees spend on various tasks and increase overall efficiency. Next function is cross-department collaboration. EMS facilitates collaboration between different departments by providing a unified platform for communication and informing sharing. This ensures that all terms are on the same page and can work together effectively. Last function is scalability and flexibility. So many EMS solutions are cloud based, allowing businesses to scale their operations easily and access the system from anywhere. This flexibility is especially beneficial for global enterprises. So, our next topic is ERP, which is known as Enterprise Resource Planning. It is like a central command center of a business. It helps the business manage everything it needs to run smoothly. Here is a simple breakdown of what ERP does. I will mention few points. The first point is coordinates all resources. So imagine a running big factory. You need to know how many raw materials you have, how many products you have made, and how many you need to ship out. ERP makes sure all this information is in one place so you can see the big picture. Next point we can take manages information. So ERP keeps track of all the important information in the business. This includes things like customer orders, inventory levels, financial data, and employee details. It's like having a super organized digital billing cabinet. Next point is overseas activity. ERP monitors all the activities that happens in a business. This could be anything from manufacturing products to processing customer order to managing payroll. It ensures that everything is happening as it should. Next point we can take focus on resource management. So the main goal of ERP is to manage resources effectively. This means making the best use of what you have, whether it's material, money, or time. It's like being a smart shopper who knows how to get the most value for every dollar. By managing resources well, ERP helps a business gets the most return for its investment. This means the business can make more money while spending less. It's like getting the best possible results from your efforts. So here are some benefits of ERP. I will explain all these one by one. The first benefit is unified information and processes. So ERP systems bring together all the different parts of a business. They make sure everyone is working with the same information and following the same processes. This helps the business run more smoothly and efficiently. Next benefit is improved visibility and reporting. So with an ERP system, everyone in the business can see what's going on in different areas. This makes it easier to make decisions and plan for the future. Plus, ERP systems can generate detailed reports on everything from finance to inventory, which can provide valuable insights. Next benefit is increased efficiency. So ERP systems can automate many routine tasks from generating invoices to managing inventory. This not only saves time but also reduces the chance of errors. Plus, by streamlining processes, ERP systems can help the business operate more efficiently. Next benefit is better resource management. So, ERP systems can help businesses make the most of their resources, from materials to time to money. They can help predict sales, manage cost, and plan for resource needs. This can lead to better decision making and improved operational efficiency. Next benefit is enhanced collaboration. So ERP system can improve collaboration both within the business and with external partners. They provide a platform for sharing information and coordinating activities, which can lead to better teamwork and more successful partnership. Next point is improved customer service. So ERP system can help businesses provide better service to their customers. They can manage customer information, track orders, and handle customer service issues more effectively. This can lead to happier customer and stronger relationships. Next point is scalability. ERP systems can grow with the business. They can handle increased data and more complex processes. As the business expands, this makes them a good long term investment. Next benefit is data security. So, ERP systems often have strong security measures in place to protect the business's data. This can give the business peace of mind and help it comply with data protection regulations. Next benefit is competitive advantage. So, by improving efficiency, providing valuable insights, and enhancing customer service, ERP system can give businesses a competitive edge. They can help businesses avoid costly mistakes and stay ahead of the competition. So, apart from these, there are so many benefits of ERP, like better management of resources, reducing the cost of operations, planning at function and process level, increase in the productivity of a business, customer satisfaction, increase due to shorter delivery cycle, closer contact with the customer, simultaneously activation of the decision centers because of instant inducement through trigger or updates, business operations transparency between business partners, cutting down the execution time of critical business operations, intelligent ERP download the decision making at lower level and releasing the burden on the middle management. Due to faster processing technology and SQL, management can see the information in their perspective and take different view of the business. Due to strong interface capabilities, the human resources can be utilized better due to access to information across the databases distributed over the organizations. Since the ERP design is proactive, it makes the management alert at a number of points demanding the decision or action. The processes become faster due to work group technology and application of workflow automation. The ERP implementation automatically leads to the usage of the best business procedures, bringing the consistency of operations in the world of business. With the use of data warehousing and data reverse engineering, management becomes knowledge driven and the organization becomes a learned. The ERP scope can be enlarged through the internet access, making the ERP sensitive to the latest events in the business, market, and technology. The quality of decision making improved as the user decision maker is made alert and know edge-able and better informed dynamically. The tools available to the decision maker are friendly, whereby he is equipped to make decision and execute it simultaneously. Also, we can summarize the different benefits of ERP in three classes. The first one is operational, second is business, and third is management. These benefits are the results of ERP product technology, design, and architecture. So, operational benefits are reduced processing cycle, access to multidimensional information, empowerment of employees to become a decision maker, effective cost control through use of cost data for business decisions, and the last one is increase in resource productivity. If we talk about business benefits, so these are the following: higher profits and improved ROI due to cost savings, improved working capital management due to reduced inventory and receivables, higher utilization of resources, reducing the cost of, and the higher customer satisfaction due to prompt deliveries. Talking about management benefits, so change management is easy due to configurable feature of the ERP product. Ease of the configuration is due to use of object technology in ERP development. Strategic information about sales, production, resources use is showed through patterns and trends. Secured information access to authorized users and cost of business reduced, business performance improved due to other technologies integration with ERP processes. It is necessary to appreciate that ERP product is the solution to improve enterprise performance all round. But the solution is not a panacea for ill health of the organization and its business. If business and management have certain weaknesses, they need to be removed first before ERP solution is implemented. For example, if companies' products are not doing well for various reasons, such as bad quality, high cost due to design, and others, then ERP does not have remedies to set these aspects right. So ERP solutions get smooth sailing and shows higher returns if business is in good shape and has a potential to do better. ERP implementation accelerate the realization of higher returns on investment. So here is the next topic called EMS and ERP and what is the relationship between EMS and ERP. We will discuss this in few points. The first point is comprehensive business management. While ERP is a part of EMS, focusing primarily on resource planning and management, EMS encompasses a broader range of business functions. EMS includes ERP as a core component but also integrates other systems like customer relationship management, supply chain management, and human resource management. This integration ensures that all aspects of the enterprise are aligned and functioning efficiently. Next point is data flow and accessibility. ERP systems provide a centralized database that helps in managing data across different functions like sales, accounting, and manufacturing. This centralization is crucial for EMS to provide a unified view of business performance and operational metrics. The data collected and processed by the ERP system feeds into the broader EMS, enabling better strategic planning and management. Next point we can take operational efficiency. So ERP systems enhance operational efficiency by automating routine tasks, reducing the need for manual data entry, and minimizing errors. This efficiency is critical for the broader objectives of EMS, which aims to optimize business processes across the entire organization. By improving efficiency at the operational level, ERP systems contribute to the overall effectiveness of the EMS. Talk about strategic decision making. So, EMS leverages the data and analytics provided by ERP systems to make informed strategic decisions. The insights gained from ERP systems about production, cost, delivery times, inventory levels, and workforce efficiency allow senior management to make better strategic choices that align with the company's long term goals. If we talk about scalability and flexibility, so as businesses grows, their management systems must scale accordingly. ERP systems within an EMS framework offer scalability and flexibility, allowing businesses to add new functionalities or update existing processes without disrupting other systems. The scalability is crucial for maintaining efficiency and competitiveness in a dynamic business environment. So, in conclusion, the relationship between EMS and ERP is symbiotic, with ERP acting as the backbone that supports the broader objectives of EMS, while ERP focuses on the integration and efficient management of core business processes. EMS uses this integrated data to manage the enterprise at a macro level, enhancing overall business performance and strategic decision making. Together, they create a robust framework for managing modern enterprises effectively. If this question comes in short answer type questions, so you can write these points also. Like ERP is most used for medium scale companies to big companies, and EMS is restricted to the big companies. ERP is aimed at improving the functionalities of the organization, whereas the EMS helps to improve the overall maintenance and accuracy. EMS contains applications and packaged solutions which can be directly used in an enterprise. On other hand, ERP system is the automation of the business processes, and the solution are in the form of modules which are designed according to the client's requirement. Another one, ERP is a subset of enterprise system, or it can be said that EMS is a superset of ERP.